boogity, boogity.
Bro, look at Eric Jones. He turned. Oh, whoa.
Oh, God. They're going to wreck.
Go, Reddick. Kane still stayed with him? Whoa, here comes Jones. Yeah, that's going to be side by side.
Can he get the push from Reddick?
Can you get out of the way?
Work in the outside lane. I'm not sure there wasn't a little contact there. Kane on the inside trying to make the pass for the lead.
Here we come, coming to the white flag.
We'll see the white flag this time.
Eric Jones got the run. 1 to go. Wow. Pete Cup Series probably like.
Oh my God.
Oh, please, if Tyler Reddick wins, I really don't want to know.
Oh.
Oh, Kane gets loose. Come on, Jones.
Wow. Dude, this is amazing.
This is awesome.
Coming to the checker flag. He's going to have to dive bomb it in there.
Come on.
Oh, Kane! Dang.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Watch out. Wow. .1. Ow!